Welcome back guys. As I told you in the previous video that hash include streams helps us in doing outputs and inputs in our program. So in this video we will output something on our console screen and that will be hello world. So let's start. As you can see, I have written all the previous syntax that I told you in the last video that is needed to compile and successfully run all the C++ programs. So you have to write all this before doing anything else. So I told you that int main is the execution block. So everything that we write in this block will be executed. Everything we output or we take input from the user will be done right here in int main. So I will write something magical that will be used to output something on your console screen. So let's start. That will be C out. What C out does, it outputs your string. What C out does is that it outputs anything that you ask it to output on your console screen. So let's see how it does that. So you have to use this operator. This is called the extraction operator. So keep that in mind. After that, we have to use cout and write hello world, and after that a semicolon. So how it works is that this is called a string. Anything that you write in these quotes will be called as string. A string is combination of characters, like H is a character, E, L, L, O, even space is a character. After that W, O or L, D, everything that is in this two quotes is a character, and all the combination of characters is called as a string. So after we write this string, it comes here. What extraction operator does, it takes the string and says, oh yeah, you want to output this string on the console? Okay, yeah man, I'm gonna do that. So it takes the string and then it asks cout, yo man, this man wants to print the string on your screen. So let's do that. This is okay. Let's do that. Let's print this on the screen. And this then cout, then what cout does, it prints hello world on your console. So this is all about the cout and the string, the quotes, the extraction operator. So what's next? Let's take a moment. You have to guess what we have to write in order to get out of this program, in order to terminate this program. Yes, it is return 0. And return 0 will terminate this program for us. It will say to the program, yo man, your time is up, let's get out of here. Okay. And the program then terminates here. One thing more that I told you in the previous lecture was that we have to write all the text that we have written here in lowercase. So why does that we have to do? C++ is character sensitive language, which means that if we write I, N, C, L, U, or D, or E, any of the character in capital, then it will say, hey, I don't know what it says. I don't know what this capital L will include with capital L means. It only recognizes include, stream, namespace, std, int main in lowercase. It does not know what a uppercase L in include will mean. So in order to make it understandable by C++, we have to write all the things in lowercase. But there is one thing, there is one way where we can write all the capital, all the lowercase, or any case we want to use is where right here. We can use, as you can see, I use camel case here, H capital, then W capital. In the string, we can use anything we want to write. We can write like this. We can write like this. So it doesn't matter what you write in the string, but all the keywords, these things right here are the keywords. These keywords are predefined. We cannot use these keywords for anything else. So these keywords should be written like this in lowercase. You can't use uppercase in this. So one thing more, why do we using namespace standard or std? This is your assignment. You have to search for it on Google, and you can tell me in the comment box why do we use namespace std in our programs. So let's meet in next video. Till then, take care.